Hello guys, I need to tell you something. I'm in Avatar Road. I accidentally got off it in my Play Store or something. I accidentally got off it and I can't buy. I can't, and I have promo codes. I got 10 promo codes. Like I got more. It's like 3D promo codes. Actually 4 promo codes. I got 14 promo codes. One of those are my dad's. The 4 ones are my dad's. In the Halloween thingy, and I accidentally, and it's all gone. I was so happy, but I was just happy about this. Check out this. I got this back and this back, but I didn't get my own coats back. And I worked so hard on one room that is only made of coats, and it's like here, and it's like I just get off the thingy, the 3rd floor, and I haven't, and it's like having like a thing. I only made it about the Prestige version over like the extra things that you need. You can actually bring things. You just put it, do like this, and put it somewhere like here, and you will have it. You can put it anywhere. Only if it's having anything, but I lost everything I have made. I am very sad right now. That I hope you guys can cheer me by subscribing or like or subscribe or